Big Mike, the outlaw biker road rash. I want to tell you about Badass, aka Bikers Against Distracted Driving and Stupid Shit. How many bikers have to die before texting and driving is seen for the national crisis that it is? It is time to do something. Badass was formed to create a social media campaign to catch the attention of the motoring public, legislators, and juries to give them a little better biker education. Distracted driving affects bikers the worst. They can't see us anyways, but now they aren't even looking. They're reading or texting while driving us to our graves. I'm fed up, and you should be too. Join Badass, and let's leave distracted driving in the dust.